guys, it's Moshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, you guys can see the difference, like the background is different. So yeah, recently I have changed the background and I know it is looking really very nice. 90% of the background has done by my fiance, so all credits to him. So yeah, guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do a teenager makeup look. This look is very much easy. You guys just need few products and you're good to go, because this is going to look very much fab, as you guys can see. So yeah, without blabbering much, let's get into the video. We are going with the facial oil, and for the oil we are going to use Beautyco's Rose Gold oil, and this one is really very nice. It hydrates very great and it gives you a very nice and glowy texture on your skin. I'm just massaging it into my skin. And yes, now we are moving with the foundation, and for the foundation I'm going to use PAX Liquid HD foundation in the shade 3.0. This one is really nice and medium coverage foundation, as you guys can use on daily basis. And now I'm just blending everything in with a brush, because brush is very easy to handle and it also blends everything perfectly. Also guys, just drag down till your neck, because your neck should be also covered like your face. And then lately I'm just dabbing everything in with a beauty blender. So this helps, if there is an excess product, the beauty blender will absorb it and it will give you that very nice, flawless and perfect base which you need for this look. So after the foundation we are moving with the concealer, and for the concealer I'm going to use Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand, and I'm just applying on the under eye area, the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyes. This shade is slightly lighter, so it will help in highlighting also. I'm just dabbing the concealer with the help of a beauty blender, because beauty blender is very nice and it also absorbs the extra product which I have applied on my under eye area. I'm also applying on the eyelid, so it gives the perfect coverage which I need for this look, as this look is going to be very much subtle and very much light. After applying the concealer, we'll move with the loose powder for setting the under eye area. And for the setting under eye area, we're just going to take the Cover FX translucent powder. This translucent powder is very nice guys. It is finely milled and it really gives you a very nice finish. And you guys can see I'm just applying on my under eye area and also my eyelid area also. And yes guys, I have a very oily T-zone, so I'm just applying on my T-zone also, so the oil controls. Again, I'm just dabbing everything in with the beauty blender, so everything settles very nicely. And now we'll just use a micro finish fixing spray. This one is from PAC, and I'm just spraying all over my face so everything settle down properly, because we haven't used a compact powder. And also with the help of a beauty blender, I'm just dabbing everything in. Guys, beauty blender absorbs excess product, so it is really very nice technique. Now we are moving with bronzing the face, and for that we are going to use Benefit's Hoola bronzer. I'm just lightly bronzing my face. Guys, this step is optional. If you guys don't want to do this step, then you guys can skip the step and you guys can move with the blush. I'm just lightly doing so you guys can have a light idea. And yes guys, now we are moving with the blush, and for the blush you guys can know it's my favorite blush. This one is Peach Fake from Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm just applying on the apples of my cheeks. Guys, this one is looking very much stunning. You guys can use it on daily basis. It will give you a very nice rosy and flushy cheeks. Also dabbing everything in, because we don't need that heavy coverage, we just need it very light. And now we are moving with the best part, which is the highlighter, and I have used Makeup Revolution's Pro Illuminate highlighter. Also I'm just applying with a fan brush all over my face, on my T-zone, my cupid's bow, on my chin. Basically I'm just applying the highlighter on the T-zone of my face, so it attracts and it will look very sharper and glowy at the same time. So we are done with the face and now we are moving with the eyes, and for the eyes we are keeping it very minimal and very simple. We are just using the Vegas eyelash curler, which gives your eyelash a very nice lift, and you guys can just see it like stunning. It is looking very much nice. And for the mascara we are going to use Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm just going very lightly, just 1 or 2 coats, and that's it. And you guys can see this mascara is very very beautiful. It's my favorite mascara. It lifts your lashes like wow, and it stays for the longest time. Also, this mascara is waterproof. You guys can go with the non-waterproof version of the mascara also. Also guys, I'm just lining my lips with a random lip liner. This one is from the street, and this one is a very pretty lip liner. It is like kind of a mauvey brown shade, and it goes perfectly for my skin tone. I just love this lip liner. Also, I'm just lightly overlining my lips and filling it in. This lip liner also stays for long. And now we are moving with the lipstick, and for the lipstick I'm going to use my favorite shade, which is Breaking Bad from the Sugar Cosmetics. And also I have just applied it very lightly as we have filled the lips. We'll just finish the look with the setting spray, and I have used PAC's Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. And yes guys, just dabbing it in and we are just done with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked this look. This was it, and I hope you guys like the video. The makeup look is very much simple and minimal. You guys just need few products and you're good to go, and you guys can do this look within few minutes, and this will look very much it. You guys can carry on daily basis. You guys can just switch the lipstick color. So yes, if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.